Guys, welcome back to Ari Has Ideas, and today I'll be showing you how to make a DIY pom-pom coaster. So let's get started. For this is just some pom-poms and some thread or like yarn and a needle, and then you just start threading some pom-poms in the needle, and you just keep doing that until you have a very long strip of like pom-poms on the yarn. So next you just like glue down like the little piece of yarn that's sticking out. So you get some hot glue and then you start putting it in a circle, and then all the spaces when you're like twisting it into a circle, just put hot glue on it and then just like press it down so then it doesn't like unstick. Oops. So there's some hot glue on the bottom, so I just started taking off the hot glue that was on top. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye!